All right, so we're back for part two, the box within the box. This is pretty exciting. As you can see, I still have my 1S up there. My gaming has taken sort of a hit since I've had a child. Really, all I have a chance to do these days is play FIFA 21, and I've really haven't had a chance to devote much time to that. So I'm pretty excited to have a reason to devote some free time to gaming again. It's just pretty exciting. Let's see, where do we even start here? We got the sealant tape sealed here, tape sealed here. Right around the edges, pretty standard. Tape at the bottom, double tape. Let's see what we got here. Just wait, this one to open. I can tell. This is opening. Put it this way. Open it up. I feel like I'm doing this wrong. It's hard for me to get a sense of where the front of this is. Okay. Nice and secure in there thanks to these foam pieces. That's a pretty substantial block. It's robust. It's kind of fun how it's like almost built as if it's something you'd hang on the wall for a hotel. I'm still a little torn on which way I should open this box, and I know that people are going to be looking at me like a complete nincompoop, but you know, such is life. I've done dumber things. Again, we went through the box in the last unboxing, and this is courteous of Xbox and Taco Bell. They are running this giveaway where fans cross country. You have the chance through November 1st to purchase the Taco Bell medium drink or large drink with the app or in person. You receive a code, get a chance to win one of these, and this is the bundle that would come with the Taco Bell promotion. The Xbox X Series X with the 1 terabyte drive. Gosh, this is robust. I'm not sure if you were to hand me this without this outer layer on here. I'm not sure I would ever have any idea what was in my hands because of this wrapping on the outside. That comes done pretty easily. Additional. Ooh. Cool. Kind of if you can see that, it's got cool green there underneath the black. It sets up well. USB ports, got the HDMI, storage expansion. Let's see, I don't want to give away too much there on the details. Power on the front, additional USB, controller sync, 4K Blu-ray, comes to the front vertically. Cool. It's going to be an interesting look from where it is. I think I'll have to rearrange my setup there. Perhaps get rid of one of those old things right there. Those are just full of DVDs from like yesteryear. But these are all the peripherals. Right here. Got HDMI cord, power cord, controller with batteries. Nice. I was literally just telling myself I forgot to bring batteries upstairs. that. Interesting, it's like, it's got a recessed bottom. It almost feels like there should be something else in there, but I don't think there is. I think that it's just to hold it in place. Yeah, they're empty, you can see, huh? It's like, it feels like it should go down deeper, but it's just packaging. It holds it there. Controller feels right. I don't know, I have normal size hands, but the option to plug in, it's built-in charger, sync. I love the action of a new controller. I don't buy controllers nearly as often as I should. It just feels right. Yeah, there we have it. That's the Xbox Series X.